Ugh, I can't believe that I have to go back to school today, and I'm here because it's early, and school didn't start until 9 o'clock. I also can't believe that next week is Thames Fan 68's birthday. But what should I do? Well, I got it. I will pull the fire alarm at school.
I think it has stopped, but I don't know why some class didn't come out here.
I don't know why it happens when there is no fire announcement.
It's also weird on how the firefighters didn't come here.
I have a feeling it might be a prank again.
Attention please, there was no fire, and no fire in the cooking room. This is because Dark LWT has pulled the fire alarm according to the security camera. So Dark LWT, please come to my office right now.
What is it, Miss Clementine?
I saw through the security camera that you pulled the fire alarm at school. Did you actually did that? Tell me right now.
Yes, I did pull the fire alarm.
Dark LWT, pulling the fire alarm for no reason is not funny. We only take it if there was an actual fire. Because of that, you're suspended for 2 days. Now leave the school.
Dark LWT, you know pulling the fire alarm is not funny, as you might get arrested, but you're lucky you're not in jail. For that, you are grounded for another week. Go to your room.